Is this bad? Oh, Sue. I'm gonna play that this is normal. It's wiggly, so like it might wiggle around like this while driving. But hopefully good. My hair sucks because it's helmet. So like I didn't brush my hair honestly, but it feels so weird. And I try to take like these thin things with like on my helmet, and it feels so weird. And I don't even know if you guys can hear me right now. If you're in the helmet, it's like probably like it's probably sound like whispering. So I'm gonna have to talk louder, okay? So then we're gonna have to talk loud, okay? So yeah, okay. I did bumpy. This is bumpy. This is bumpy. Woo! I'm trying to be so careful with what I'm doing right now. Up here. Down here. I don't break my leg here. Go slow here. Up here. Gas it up here. Then, through the portals of hell. Hello, duckles. Look at those. Look at those duckles. I don't know if you can see it. Those duckles. Those are cute duckles. Woo. Dude, I want to ride this thing down here. Okay. I don't trust this thing on grass. I slipped on gravel like 25 times. Oh, hello, scale I did yesterday. Almost broke my leg. Hello. 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 You can't really polish it. I'm going to do this so you can actually like see forward. But yay! Well, it is the end of the video. Right now, if it's still recording, yay! Oh, it's still recording. So this will probably be the end of the video. Tell me if you want to do more of this.